Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is KRS, and today's video is about how to start a WTI trading account with a very small capital of $4,900, and how you can grow it slowly and steadily. So what I did last week, what is the profit I made, and on what basis I was able to trade is what we are going to see in this part of the video. So here you can see that my trading account, this is of course an account which I opened for the sake of channel alone. So as you can see, mine was started with a capital of 4,900 USD, and it got approved on 21st, almost in the late evening. So what happened after this? What is my first P&L, second day P&L, third day P&L is what I'm going to share now. And then we will look into the strategy I used for all the trades. As you can see on my screen, I started with a profit day where I closed it with a P&L of $439 and some change. And this is my first day of trading or second day. I'm not really sure about it. But as you can see, we started with $4,900, and now, available margin is almost $5,973, which is almost $1,000 from the time I deposited. So looks like I missed one day of P&L. I'm not able to find the statement. So anyway, I'll keep moving on. And the following day, I made another profitable day where I closed it around 388.24 USD of profit. So as you can see, my previous ledger balance was around 5,973, and then I was able to close it at around 6,361.55. So here is the statement of my P&L on Friday. Friday was 24th. So 24th, I closed with a P&L of $800 and some change for the day. I should have closed this day with a profit of $4,000. I will show the technical study of where I went wrong. Basically, as you can see that I had to close some loss, which were basically hedging calls, and then I made some decent profit later part of the day. So it's like here you can see that I made like 1,320, and then I lost. It's not like a loss; it's a hedge call which I closed in negative 1820. And it went on like this, and then with 3 days of trading, we started at 4,900 USD, and we closed at a margin of 7,167.10, which is like what is this guy like? What is this guy's like 40% approximately? So we were able to close it with a 40% profit in 3 to 3.5 days of trading. So what is the technical use? Is the next thing I'm going to show now. So there are 3 things I want to basically show here as part of my technical analysis, which I used to make 40% profit. So the week and the contract actually started on Monday. So if you see a simple Fibonacci, a simple Fibbo retracement, if I put it, usually, this is the 618 zone and this is the 386 zone. This was the low of the week. This was the high of the week. So my Friday trade was the most exciting one because it was very, very clear. If I put a supply and demand zone, you can clearly see that this is the supply zone here. Here you can see that there is a demand zone. Here you can see that there is a supply zone. I'm talking about Friday alone, guys. So what I did is, when I saw the rejection here, I started taking short, and I also started buying here. So basically, I started shorting at this place. It fell down, and I started buying here. It went up, and I almost closed here. But I said that I should have closed it at $4,000 profit. The mistake I did is I went for a short at this zone here itself, which is actually 786 of the Fibbo retracement, right? I went here, I went up to this, and then I went long here. But I didn't have the courage to hold it when it was taking this point. I should have booked it here, which I missed. And what I did is, again, I took a hedge call here. So this hedge was falling. I was still holding my buy. So basically there was no SL, stop loss here. It's basically hedged. I booked my hedge sell here with a stop loss somewhere around this zone. But then it went up here, and then again I closed my buy call here with a slight loss. So I ended up making 800 change as a profit on Friday. So this is one Fibbo retracement. Again, I'm doing it. It's a very simple Fibbo retracement between the high and the low of the week. As you can clearly see, this is 0, this is 0.25 zone, this is 0.386, 50, 618, 786, and 1. The golden zones are 618 here and 386. I mean, it's like the most crystal clear entry you can ever get. It's a simple, clean reversal. And I am in a 1 hour chart. If I put 15 minutes also, you will see that it bounced exactly at the right spot. As you can see here, it kind of almost bounced here. We could have had a SL well before this 25 zone or even higher. So this is one Fibbo retracement between the lowest and the highest trading price of the week. The next is, if I go with a Gann chart, you can also see that as soon as the price started falling, here, you can see that it nicely covered up to this point, and then once it broke, it came to the next one, where also our support line, the demand zone is also there from the weekly perspective. There is a demand zone. So Gann, Fibbo, supply and demand. These three is what I used exactly to make 40% profit for the last week.